had to switch my car to that real car. Had on a vest. Had to put on the long. It's about 48 degrees out here. It's salmon time, fall for bass fishing. But we ain't fishing for salmon these next couple of days. We're gonna get them time to get a little bit adjusted to that water. And we out there. Water levels is high. Water choppy. It's cold, baby. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one off the pier. I give it all I got though. Give it all I got. I ain't been fishing in a couple days. I ain't been fishing in a couple days. I promise you, they be in there because that little tunnel hold heat. They'll hold heat a little bit. I think they waiting for that sun to come out. Car. Want to see where I stay warm? Car. So you need a car. Check it over that one more time. Let me get this already in and out in the better video. That fucking up my brake, hell no. Yeah, that was decent, but still backlash. My leg's so burnt out. It's what, 48 degrees, probably like 46 degrees. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pursue the trout and salmon now. I had fun with the bass. Give them a break. My leg's so burnt out. Don't make no sense. Let me get in the truck when I'm spinning off. I wasn't gonna fish this side, but why not? Oh my God. Oh, fucking not. Water levels rose. Fish different positionings. This even high over there. Boom. Can't even see the little stick that be over there. Oop. There we go. Y'all saw that? Whoa. Don't flop off. Whoa! When I said that. Oh, look at that. I did all that talking. Came from right there over here. First cast. Well, second cast. I put it right there. Water levels has changed. As you can see, water levels has changed through the rain. And she just absolutely crushed it. Oh, I caught her too, all on camera, all on a GoPro. Nothing like a fall bass. I was just telling myself I'm gonna go ahead, give it up and pursue the salmon, but that hit was just so different. I'm not even gonna lie, I might be stuck on bass fishing for a couple more weeks. I might not even get to see the salmon. I might go straight ice fishing. Go ahead. I ain't gonna lie, that GoPro caught all that. That GoPro caught all that. It had to. That motherfucker came up and said, "Come here." That hook set was just so fucking amazing. I think I'm cool with that. Let me edit this video, man. My heart is still going. I ain't even gonna lie. My heart's still going.